Spectrum Mobile operates on Verizon's network, providing generally robust coverage across the United States. However, no signal issues can occur due to three main reasons: distance from cell towers, frequency band limitations, and environmental factors. First, cell towers transmit signals that typically reach 1 to 10 miles, depending on terrain and frequency. Being too far from a tower or in hilly areas can cause signal loss. Second, frequency bands play a key role. Spectrum Mobile uses LTE band 13 at 700 MHz for rural areas and 5G bands like N78 for mid-band speeds and N260 for ultra-fast urban coverage. Higher frequency bands offer faster speeds but have shorter range and poorer building penetration. Third, environmental factors like buildings, walls, and other obstacles can block signals. Higher frequency bands, especially mmWave wave, struggle to penetrate through materials, leading to dead zones indoors or in urban canyons. To identify potential dead zones, use Verizon's coverage map, which shows signal strength across different areas. This tool can help you understand where coverage might be weak and guide you on improving your signal. First, check your device settings to troubleshoot signal issues. Use apps like Cell Mapper to locate nearby towers and move closer or elevate your device. For 5G issues, if indoors, consider using signal boosters to improve reception. In urban areas like subways, switching to LTE can resolve signal issues. Rural users can use coverage maps to find optimal tower placement or consider personal extensions. Regularly check coverage maps and perform periodic signal audits to preempt issues. If problems persist, contact Spectrum Mobile support for further assistance.